Right, welcome back. Let's do question 421. Simplify the following expression fully. We have to find the product of these two brackets by distribution. 4 must multiply the terms of the second bracket, and then 1 over x also should multiply the terms of the second bracket. We start with 4 times 2, which is 8. Then 4 times negative 3 over x. 4 times negative 3 over x is like 4 over 1 times negative 3 over x. We get what? Negative 12 over x. So that is negative 12 over x. We've distributed the 4, and then we come to 1 over x. 1 over x times 2 over 1 is 2 over x. So we have plus 2 over x. And then 1 over x times negative 3 over x. 1 over x times negative 3 over x. 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3. Then x times x is x squared. So that is negative 3 over x squared. And then these are like terms. These two are like terms. We can simplify them. The denominators are the same. So we can say negative 12 plus 2, which is negative 10. So we have 8 minus 10 over x minus 3 over x squared. So we've simplified the expression.